Okay, I'm ready. Progress, networking, challenge. The Slovenian Animated Film Association is the representative organization on the national level, which represents the professionals from the field of animation. We are representing and we are the voice of the people who are professionally connected with the animated film in Slovenia and also wider in the region. With this approach we are somehow trying to build the networks and to open up the whole industry to those who are interested into it. It consists of the three main activities in the last years. The first one is the pitching forum, which is the public presentation of the animated projects in development. The second activity is called New Talents, which is to promote the upcoming new talent from the region of Visegrad and Slovenia. And the third is called Red Bricks, and it's aimed to lobby to build the networks not only within the professionals but also within the other stakeholders like public institutions from the region, film centers, ministries. And I think the main values of these European projects are that on one side we are trying to promote and open the doors to the Western Europe, and from the other side we are also establishing a big network of the existing capacities of animated industry here in this region of the Central and East Europe. As all of our members are the low production capacity countries, it is really difficult to compare to some of the Western countries with high production capacities, and we are trying somehow to come closer to establish conditions by using the different tools and different strategies, but to improve at least at some points towards the standards of the Western countries. There are so many different financing schemes. It is very complicated to put together the budgets for the big international projects because you are really dependent on the national funds there. So that's a big challenge. But on the other side, I think it's a big motivation also for the people on the national level when they hear about the opportunity to join us or when they hear what we do. Sometimes they really get motivated to think about establishing the association on the national level. So I think all the disadvantages of working on the large-scale international projects are like a minor when you compare with all the advantages. It is also very historically determined that the whole region was in the past much more connected in the field of animation. So I think that was also the source of the inspiration to revive all the connections and somehow try to motivate people to start working together.